It's a privilege to be able to create spaces that everyone in our communities can access. Wolfen has engineered a range of accessible toilet suites that have been designed to perform at the very highest of standards. These toilets have been manufactured and tested to meet stringent Australian standards for accessible bathrooms. The in-wall design is as smart and practical as it is beautiful, with a sleek and minimal aesthetic and universal installation that will suit any bathroom. Created with the latest in toilet hygiene technology, Wolfen toilet suites have a rimless design that offers antibacterial features and are easy to clean. In-wall buttons and matching toilet seats are available in 3 different colours and made with extremely durable materials. Pair it with a backrest to create the perfect accessible bathroom solution for your project. The back-to-wall pan's simple yet modern design is the perfect complement to any space, and its versatility means they have a large range of commercial and residential applications. Wolfen products are made to perform all day, every day. Experience total peace of mind with an industry-leading 5-year commercial warranty. The Wolfen toilet range, a full suite of options. Speak to your local Reece consultant or trade counter hand about how the Wolfen toilet range can create a compliant bathroom solution for you.